Okay, how do you fit this Bagster Tank Bag into your Honda VFR 800 or any other motorbike for that matter? Well, it's really simple. I've actually bought this second hand, so it has come partially assembled, but when you buy it brand new, what you'll find is that it will come with this little pad inside, which is fine, but it will not have these bolts here. It will ask you to drill your own holes. So you do need to drill your own holes and put these bolts in, which they supply, and then underneath you then fit the bolts into these nuts to hold this quick release retaining system on, and you can see how it works. You pull the red lever and that actuates these, which releases the bag from the bike. So that's the bag section which you will have to do, and as I say, I don't, because this is second hand and that was already done for me. But what you will have to do is fit the ring which goes around here. So here's the ring. It's actually got a couple of magnets underneath, which is great for just for locating it and holding it in position while you're doing the screws. The first thing you're going to have to do is remove these 3 screws, only those 3 from the tank cap. Okay, so on my Honda VFR 800 there are 5mm hex bit there. Yeah, it is those ones I need, isn't it? Yeah. Not all terribly tight, to be honest. You're not going to need these again, so just keep them safe. You don't want to get rid of them for when you sell the bike, but you're not going to need those again. Okay, and then you can obviously set it on. The magnets will tend to hold it in place. It's a 3mm hex bit. So this is actually quite a long one, but it's got a finer thread on it, and that's what's going to work for my Honda there. That's it, as simple as that. 3 bolts, nothing to be afraid of. Now we can try it out. Click on the front first, and then like so. No, that's it, just push down, yeah. So release, and put it on. That's it. There's like a shoulder strap there. Don't know what that's for, don't need it. You can get rid of that. And this you can use this or not use this. It's meant to protect the bolts heads there. I think it's got an adhesive backing. Yeah, it's adhesive backing. Yeah, there we go. Oh, we'll put it on. Okay, carry strap, and there's a rain cover comes with it as well. It's got a see-through bit in it for your sat nav or whatever if you want to use it. Nice and simple. I'm going to remove it, pull it out. Right, it comes. Put it on. There you go. That's a bit of positive reinforcement there. That's it, nice and simple. Hope that helps someone.